Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 22nd of November 2015. So right here we've got AC up on the charts, Aussie CAD, and you can see we're just breaking up into supply. We had a rally base, a drop, a bit of a level test up there before a much larger drop away. Let's have a look how many pips. Over 500 pips drop there. So although price has been running quite strong, looking to see whether we get another reaction. See around this area here, price didn't like it. Price was unable to close above once it had closed below initially, and then it was having trouble getting back up. And we're right about that area again now. Not sure if there's any more sellers in the markets, but we shall see what happens. Also, we've got this this demand here as well. We've got a bit of a rally base and then another rally. Nice strong move away. So I'm interested to see what happens when price gets back to that level as well, whenever that happens to be. Okay, so moving swiftly on then, let's have a look at AN. Okay, so we are previously looking at this level down here, but price turned before that, has rallied up. We've had a bit of demand and it's rallied up again. We've also got this supply up ahead. Admittedly not the best looking supply, but we did have a very strong move out of there. So we're just a few pips away, 180 odd pips, almost 200 pips away from that supply, and about, let's have a look, probably we're in the middle of these two levels. Yeah, so we're pretty much in between these two demand levels here. So we had a nice strong move out of this one as well, so we'll see what happens. Okay, moving swiftly on to EA. So we're watching this level here, and we've got a bit of a bounce. Start to look at this one. Nothing happened there, and now we're moving into this little level which we've got further down. The price has been moving quite strongly into this zone, so this may yet break. I mean, what? There's only 50 odd pips of this zone left. Now this was a decent demand zone. Initially we had a drop base rally. We had a level test, so price barely pierced the zone on the first visit. Price is moving very strongly back on the second visit, so we'll see whether we get a reversal there or not. Failing that, we've got a few more levels further down, and if this doesn't hold, then I'll be looking possibly to jump in on some shorts if we get this continued move down. As you see, it has been moving down for quite some time, so we'll see whether this is the end or whether we can jump in on the trend. Okay, another euro pair then. Looking at EJ, still the same level really, only because price seems to be going lower and lower at the moment. So yeah, that one is still on the radar. That is pretty much it so far for these daily levels which I'm looking at. So until next time, happy trading guys.